Hi, I am Sam. Have you noticed that sometimes when you want to tell something to your mom, she doesn't listen because she's already talking to dad? And you don't want to wait, you want to talk right away. But do you know that it is rude to interrupt? You should not interrupt if your mom or dad are talking to each other or someone else, or when your friends are talking or your teacher is busy. Instead of interrupting by talking in between, you should wait for your turn. You can stand there without disturbing and wait until they are finished talking, and then you can say, "Excuse me." After you say "excuse me," when they look at you, then you can say what you wanted to say. When you act respectfully, people will want to talk to you. If it is very urgent and you have to interrupt, then you can write your message on a paper and keep it near mom silently. After that, you can wait to see if mom wants to talk immediately. In case of a real emergency, like fire in the house, or if someone is hurt, you should interrupt your parents and tell them about the emergency so that they can take care of the situation. Remember, when you respect others, people will respect you too and will want to talk to you.